There's a great work of art in every box of Oakland Heart on Murray Road.
Home of your New Orleans Saints and LSU Fighting Tigers sports. WWL New Orleans, WWL FM and HD1 Kenner New Orleans, and Odyssey Station.
This is CBS News on the Hour, your home for original reporting. Stations and cable systems of your area. Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency Alert System. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
CBS's Anthony Perro reports. First responders have been scouring the...
Breaking news! This is a test of the EAS.